Good morning everyone. This is Rohit from Fundamental Desk Access Securities. We talk about the market outlook. Firstly, as we know that the GST is going to be implemented very soon, we'll talk about the GST theme, and because of that there will be a shift of businesses from the informal to the formal economy, or we can say the unorganized to the organized space. The markets are going gung-ho about the shift to the goods and the services tax. One factor driving this optimism is the anticipated shift of businesses from small unorganized firms in some sectors to organized ones. Since the latter are already in the formal economy, comply with regulations, and are generally larger in size and pay taxes, the switch will be much easier for them, which will ultimately translate to increased market share. So this will benefit sectors such as apparel, tiles and sanitary ware, plywood, textile, footwear, electrical equipments and appliances, and plastics and packaging. All these sectors have a high composition of unorganized firms. But the gain in market share of these listed companies means a corresponding fall in the market share of units operating in the informal economy. GST will take a toll on the financial health on the SMEs, that is small and medium enterprises. These SMEs account for nearly 50% of India's GDP and is responsible for more than 80% of total job creation in the country. So we can see that the impact will be there. The economics of logistics under the GST regime will also favor large companies in the organized sector. The move to the new tax regime has the potential to cause immense disruption to the shadow economy that is the source of livelihood for many. With the July 1 deadline just around the corner, there are many SMEs that are not prepared for this transition. However, the switch to GST will increase the size of the formal part of the economy and increase productivity. So our picks in this space from the packaging space are SL Propack and Moltec Packaging. From the retail space, Shoppers Stop. In the footwear space, we have Bata and Mirza International. Talking about the market outlook, most Asian markets are trading lower, tracking cues from Wall Street overnight, and as investors digest ECB President's statement that the central bank would adjust its policy in response to improving economic conditions. Nikkei is trading lower 0.29%, Hang Seng was trading lower 0.71%. SGX Nifty was trading lower 0.18%. The US markets ended lower as technology stocks declined after news that EU levied fine of $2.7 billion on Google for violating antitrust rules while delaying vote to repeal Obamacare based on investor sentiments. The Dow Jones lost 99.46% to close at 21,311, while Nasdaq dropped 101 points or 1.61% to close at 6147. Things to watch out for: IMF cuts forecast for US economic growth due to uncertainty about White House policies. And on the corporate front, BHEL has backed an order for setting up a 15 megawatt solar photovoltaic power plant on EPC basis from Gujarat Alkalis and Chemical Limited. SRF to consider issue of Rs 300 crores of non-convertible debentures on private placement. Federal Bank has approved QIP issue price at Rs 116 per share. And New Jersey District Court has upheld Horizons Pharma's Vimovo plant preventing Dr. Reddy's and lupus market generic versions of Vimovo. So this is from Fundamental End. Thank you.